compound words. Gold, fish, rain, bow, tooth, brush, sun, flower. What do all of these big words have in common? Have you figured it out yet? That's right, they are all made up of two smaller separate words. When two smaller words combine to make a bigger word, we call that a compound word. A compound word has its own special meaning, separate from the words used to make it. So let's look at these words, because we've got gold and fish, and when we join them together, we then have gold fish. Okay, and we know that a goldfish is a type of fish. When we join rain and bow together, we have a rainbow. Oops. And we know that a rainbow is something that has all 7 colours and shines after it has been raining. We've got sun and flower, and we know that sunflower is a type of flower. Here are some other compound words. Have a look at them. Tea plus pot equals teapot. Pop plus corn equals popcorn. Hand plus bag is a handbag. Water and fall is a waterfall. Here are some other ones for you to have a little look at too. Rain plus coat is a raincoat. Pan plus cake is pancake. Ear plus ring is an earring. Snow plus man is snowman. And cat plus fish is catfish. Can you see how when you join the two little words together, they create a bigger word with a different kind of meaning? Okay, let's use some compound words in sentences. Let's see if you can find the compound word. The first one is, my bedroom is my favourite place in the house. Did you find the word, the compound word? Yes, it is bedroom. Bed and room. Okay, so we've got the two little words, bed and room as bedroom. Let's have a look at the second sentence. As I walked down the driveway, a dragonfly landed on my fingernail. Okay, let's have a look and see if you can identify the compound words in this sentence. Yes, so we've got drive, way is a compound word, drive and way. We've got dragonfly, dragon and fly are the two words, and fingernail, we've got finger and we've got nail. Okay, and the third sentence, inside the farmhouse the cowboy ate a cupcake. Okay, so you've got inside the farmhouse, there are lots of compound sentences in the sentence. The cowboy ate a cupcake. Okay, so those are the compound words. So just a little reminder, a compound word has its own special meaning, separate from the words that are used to make it.